Okay, everybody, this is me. I'm trying to show you guys a couple of trades that we do and what you can expect if you join the Super Easy Forex team. So I'm just going to flip through some of my trades so you can see it's live, you can see it's moving, you can see which ones I've jumped in. This one, I'm waiting for this one to move, which is the NZD USD. It's Friday, the 18th. But let's kind of go through some things. You're looking at one of them right now. This is the Euro New Zealand. We jumped in this one. I had multiple positions. They've already closed out. I'll teach you how to do that, how to close out multiple positions, because I have a trading style that I call the I call it the SSL. It's to accommodate scalping, swing trading, and long-term trading. That's what the SSL is for. I'm going to show you guys how to see. You can see it moving right here. It was at 8,000. Now it's at 9,200. So anyway, this is live trading. So anyway, as you can see, triple L's came in. This is the Euro New Zealand. We're up 110 pips there. Okay, that's that one. Here's another one. This one we're up triple arrows. We're up 98 pips right here, and right here triple arrows 142 pips. On this one here, we're up 151 pips. We took 4 positions, and this one is just starting its ascent. Triple arrows right here, 23 pips and running, and we can just do this all day long. So again, you know, look right there, triple arrows, 23 pips. That's on the USD JPY. This one here is 162 pips. Triple arrows. Why are these positions smaller? Because we've already scaled out on the other positions we had. So some of these where you see these little small ones, you're like, well, maybe he didn't trust his trades. No, what happened was we scaled out. We went in big positions, and I'll teach you again the SSL methodology so that it accommodates scalping, swing trading, and then long-term trading all in one strategy. There's a reason why you see these yellow. A lot of you guys are probably looking at that saying, man, I never seen that yellow. As you can see, this one's about to hit TP, take profit. EuroCat, 19 pips on that one. It's getting close. So anyway, so the point is that we can show you some things. Let me show you my trading group that you'll be a part of, because some of you guys didn't know that comes with it as well. So let's get rid of this. Well, I'll leave it there. Let's kind of go over that. Let me bring this in so that you can see it in view. As you can see, this is somebody who just said this, best trade room ever. You know, and this one said best trade room I've been in, and blah, blah, blah. We post some things so that they can see what's going on, and blah, blah, blah. So as you can see, there's a big family of members. We're growing on an actual daily basis now. As you can see, people are happy. See? Everybody's happy. We post things up in here. People see. Other people are posting their trades too. So you don't need me. I mean, let me be clear. You will get. See, they post their own stuff. Look at that. Hey. See, they're talking in here in the group. They're talking in the group. See, they're talking in the group. See, what happens is, and let me kind of walk you guys through this. What happens is that a lot of times you go into these trade rooms and you go into these signal services, and it's meant for you to have to depend upon that person to teach you and to tell you when to get in and out of trades. We do that. We do share with you some trade entries and signals on an almost daily basis. We don't try to jump into any old trade just to say we're trading. We typically wait until we see a perfect setup, and then we jump into the trade, and I'll send out a signal. However, as you can see in our particular group, when you learn our system, it's super easy. It's just easy to look at. It's easy to learn. It's very simple to do. And so therefore, there's really no need for you to be totally dependent on another person to tell you when to take trades and when not to. Once you learn how our system works, you're going to be good enough to do your own thing. I mean, how hard is it to look at some triple arrows and a couple of other things that we include in our system? How hard is it for you to do that? Okay. And I have the strip down method on these videos, so don't think this is all there is to it, because it's not. There's other lower indicators we use, another little few simple strategies. So I don't put everything on here because there's always somebody trying to be sneaky and cheap, saying, well, you know, let me see if I can figure it out on my own, and I'm just don't want to pay $2.99, and I don't want to, and you're constantly losing money. as opposed to, hey, make the investment one time, go ahead and make the money like we do. Okay, so anyway, this is a little short video. Oh, and these little penny trades, this is simply because I was doing a training for my team on this account here, and I was showing them some things because I do bi-weekly, weekly training sessions with the team. I don't do it every day because it's no need to. Look, triple arrows, get in the trade, it went down. I mean, but what I do show them is market methodology, market maker moves, because there's market makers manipulating the market, and there's a lot of little things that goes on behind the scenes that makes the market move the way it do. So yes, I do talk to my team and kind of show them some tips and tricks on how to be successful trading, what to avoid, because there's certain times you shouldn't trade and all these different things. So you'll learn all that stuff. It's not hard, but at least you need to know about that. But anyway, the point is, come and join the team. You've been struggling with, and I've been through all these gurus who say they're going to teach you all these things, and it's all technical. You can't figure it out. You're frustrated. You're cussing your mama out, your dog. You're kicking everybody, and you're just pissed. I understand. Trust me, I've been through all of it. 4.5 long years it took me to be able to get to the point where I am. So I know what it feels like. I've been in your shoes. So I'm just simply telling you guys, hey, come on and join. Okay, come on and join. By the way, on this one here, let me see. All right, so you're looking at it right here. And you're saying, well, why is this? Here's what we're looking at. Let me show you. I'll just show you a little one. Okay, boom. See, we're in a buy position. See, what happened was on the long term, it was in the sell position. See that? It was in the sell position, and that thing right there, and I'm just showing you live. It don't matter. I don't really care. You need to know. See, people need to show you evidence of what you're going to get, not just show you all these screenshots of profits and then you think that's all there is. So this move downward made 400 pips. But because we know how to look at this system, bottom line is we already know it's setting up for the reversal. We went down one time frame, and what do you see? Boom, triple arrows going on the setup for the buy. That's why we're slowly migrating into profit, and we're waiting for this thing just to reverse right back up. You'll begin to learn these simple things once you join the team. So again, this is what you can expect. See, you can see this with your own eyes. It's right here. That's why I do live videos. I like that better. You can see the movement. You can see what's going on. Hey, no problem. And you say, well, man, bro, you was up 9. No, we just wait. See, we patient. Wait patient. If it ain't tapped us out, we know it's going to keep going. That's what the market does. That's why some of you guys are losing your trades. Every time it's a little move in the market, there you go. Shaking and baking, all nervous. Relax. Learn to relax. Walk away. When you set your trades, learn to walk away. And especially when you learn the SSL trading methodology that I teach you, where you can learn how to scalp, swing, and be a long-term trader all in one quick strategy. And it takes less than 5 minutes. I'm telling you, you're going to learn how to be that way so that you're not even tripping. You're going to learn to take your trades. You're going to set your stop losses. You're going to do a couple other things, and literally you can go enjoy the family for the rest of the day. You don't need to be. It literally has no reason for you to sit around being there. So as soon as I'm done with this video, guess what I'm going to do? I'm taking my butt back to bed. Why? Because it doesn't need everything that needs to be done is already preset. See, it's right here. You're looking at it. We jumped in. We're up 15 pips, 2 positions, 7 each. Okay. Now, I'll come back to this position next week. You're going to be seeing hundreds of pips on this one. Why? There's no need for me to be here staring at the charts all the time. I'm going to teach you guys how to set up your several positions so that one is tapping out in the short term, the next one tapping out in the midterm, and another one running forever until the thing reverses, just like it did here. Look at this. Very clear. You can see that with your own eyes. Triple arrows. Boom. It went down 400 pips. Now it's setting up for the reversal. We take it back the other way. Duh. So anyway, but the problem is, how did you know? Well, that's where the triple arrows come in. That's where our other little small, simple strategies come in. So come on and join us. $2.99 one-time fee, and just join. just join. Have a step of faith. Take a step of faith. I'm sure you've been through other systems and other gurus and got burnt up. This is why I'm trying to be different from everybody else and just simply, show you some charts so you'll see with your own eyes exactly what you're going to get. Because a lot of them, they always making these promises of hundreds of pips and this and that, but they don't show you no live trades. They don't show you what you're going to get. Let me show you something else. See, again, boom. You can see that with your own eyes. Let me shrink that. Look at this move upwards. Triple arrows was right here. What do you see? A move to the upside. Yep, there it goes. What was that? 761 pips on that trade. Then it went down. Triple arrows told us when to get in. Simple. Boom. What was that? Over 400 pips, 424 pips, and then we're going to ride it up the other way. See, I can do this all day long. Let me pick another pair. A lot of people like the EU. It goes sideways. That's why I don't really like it. See, you'll learn that too. But even in this one, look at this one right here. I did like it up here. 442 pips. And then it went choppy sideways. That's why I don't really like it. But triple arrows came in, it went sideways, and eventually it came up to our next section. That was 178 pips. Still made money, don't get me wrong. I'll just tell you my favorites versus my non-favorites. And I'll show you one more, and then I'm going back to bed. That was my down move of 81 pips. Let me show you one of my favorites. All right, let me see. This one. I like this pair right here, boy. Sexy. Ooh-wee! Look at that sexy piece. Just sexy, sexy, sexy. Oh, God, just sexy. And my wife ain't mad because she's sexy too. But the point is, she realized this. Look at this. Ooh, hey, just smooth. See, I like them smooth as butter moves. But even with the raggedy ones, the system knows what it's doing. Look, that was 609 pips on that move right here. Okay, you can't see what's going to happen, right? Boom. Triple arrows came in right here, told us what to do. We looked at our other system, little confirmations just to make absolutely sure, because there are other things I haven't included on here because I don't want y'all trying to steal my stuff. But anyway, triple arrows right here. Boom. So let's slide it to the side and let's see what happens. Boom. All right. So right here, it said get out. Okay, like that movie, Get Out. Let's look. It said triple arrows, and we get out and jump out of one, get into another. That was a short trade of 162 pips. All right, what do it say? It say go back up. All right, so right here, we're gonna get in triple arrows right there. Let's hope it works. Oh, another short trade. Good. Okay, no problem. I'll take the short ones too. What? And you say, man, short? Yeah, short does. 100 pips is short, okay, on some of these trades, especially off the 4 hour. That's short. That's small money. So look, that's 155 more pips. Have we lost yet? No? Okay, let's keep going. And this is just one pair, okay, one pair. Just imagine you just do 4 pairs a month, and you did. I mean, come on now. Boom, right here, triple arrows. All right, what do it say to do? It says to sell. Let's see what happens. Whoa, whoa, wow, wow, wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? Boom. Look at that. Oh, that's sexy. Look at that. Woo-wee. Let's measure from here to here. That was a consistent drop. 740 pips. So you see, this is just one pair. And then what did it say to do? Get out of the sell, get into the buy. And of course, we look for our other confirmations, which I'm not included on here, so you can't steal it. And then there you go. And then we take it for a ride back up. And look at there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. How about that? Another one? Same exact pair. Have we changed pairs? Absolutely not. Nope. And that one was for another 747 pips. And then, oh, what do we have here? We have triple arrows. This is the other day. Some of you guys, you've seen this. This was that Apple News, I think it was, that came out last week. You check your own charts. You don't have to verify. You don't have to believe me. I really don't care. I love you, but I'm just not into trying to overprove that I know what I'm talking about. I'm showing you charts so that you can go back on your own charts and verify what I'm saying. You can see this on your own charts. It's just the fact that you didn't have our system, so you couldn't spot these trades. But with our system, you can easily spot this stuff. It's easy all day long. So this is where the Apple News came in. That's why it spiked up. And now I'm going to teach you something about these candles. When news spikes come up, I'm going to show you how you don't have to panic. But anyway, triple arrow came in. Let's see what it did. And boom, there we are. Okay. And as you can see, what do you see here? What do you see here on this one? Right here. Heck, I need to get off this camera and take that trade. I got to confirm a couple of things, but let me confirm that trade. That's triples right there. I see that. Oh, I think I did take it on my other account too. I got a couple accounts. So anyway, that was a 395 pip move. And so now triple arrows is showing up again on this one. I'll have to confirm it because we don't just take triple arrows only. We do confirm it with a couple other things that we have in our strategy. But that's that. So anyway, as you can see, we done went on from where? This is all the way till today, which is January 18th. And we've taken 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trades, 4 trades, 5 trades, 6 trades, 7, 8, 9, 10, see, 10, 11. Ooh, that was a nice one. Let me shrink that. Jeez. See that? See that? What's that? 11, 12? Still ain't lost. 13. Ooh, look at that massive move. 14. Golly. Golly. 800 pips. And that's going all the way back to September, people. And this is just on 1 pair on the 4 hour. We have other time frames we utilize, but that's like 14 straight wins, 1 pair, no losses. 14 wins, 1 pair. And and the last question I'll answer is this. So, hey, Brother Pat, do y'all only do long-term trading? No, we don't. No, we don't. We have other time frames we utilize. I'm just showing you one of them. Because some of you guys, one of the things you need to learn is to walk the heck away from your computer. That's why you keep losing trades so much. It's because you're always trying to, sit around trying to get the little short moves and blah, 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 but you keep getting stopped out. There's a reason for that, and I'll teach you that when you join. But, the longer time frames gives you the ability to do what you say you were meant doing this for, and that's for your family. So now you get to go back and spend quality time with your family. Why? Because some of these moves that we take, man, listen, you can take 1 trade and make way more money in one trade. Yeah, you got to be a little more patient because you're waiting for it to all play out. But my point is, 1 move will make you more pips than some of you guys been making and God knows how long, because you're trying to scout for 10 pips and 20 pips and 15 pips, and you're getting stopped out, you're getting frustrated, and now your account is stuck in neutral because it's really not moving forward, you're really not moving backwards, because when you do get a win, then you scalp again, you lost, then you get a win, and so your emotions is up and down. You're frustrated, you're just tired, and you feeling like, man, what's the point of all this, man? I'm trying. You spend hours on the charts on your phone and then time away from your family, all because you don't have the right system. This is why I'm showing you guys live charts so that you can see this stuff with your own eyes. See, even though I'm not in this trade, you can see it moving. These are live charts. I'm not bullcrapping you guys. I don't have time for that. I want you to not go through the 4.5 years of frustration I went through. So anyway, this is a pretty long video. Didn't mean to do that, but just want to talk to you a little bit. I've been through all that stuff. That's why I designed this system, created, and yes, there is more to it. So don't think this is all there is. There's more, but again, you can clearly see just with this system alone, if you'd had nothing else but this triple arrow system, you can clearly see, look, we went all the way back to September and there was 0 losses using this strategy that we have just with this alone. So if you say, hey Pat, even if I don't get everything else, man, this is bread and butter, I can feed my family, you're right. 1 standard lot. I mean, just think about it. You put 1 standard lot on here, okay, $10 a pip. Okay, right here you made $7,427, 1 move. Right here, came right back up on the same exact pair. You made another 7,000 on that one. Then you made, this one to here. How much was that? That was 7. Oh, I'm sorry. Do it the other way. Right here, going this way. Boom. That's retirement money, $3,600. Okay, even on this little short move, which we call short because look how short the move was. But even to there. That was a $1,500 move. Okay, so no matter which way you're looking at it, man, you don't need to trade a whole lot of different ones. You just relax, man. Make your money and keep moving. 1,400 again, 14, so that's just say 28, and then you have this massive move from here to here. That's bread and butter, bro, or ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am, bro. All right. So anyway, say your prayers. I love you guys. We do accept Bitcoin now, so I'll be posting that up as well. So just come and join us. I think you'll enjoy it. I think you have a great time. We have a great trading room. We have traders from different parts of the country and the world: Hong Kong, Nigeria, Africa, America, and we're just loving it. We're just enjoying life. Okay, you guys. $2.99 one-time fee. My email is super EZ, the letter E and Z, super EZ Forex at gmail.com. If you have questions other than that, just matter of fact, just email me so I can send you out the link myself. Just let me know, hey Pat, I'm ready to join, and I'll send you out the link to go ahead and get started with the PayPal invoice. And as I always say, and some people had to learn the hard way, I said, I can't tell you what to do, but I'm telling you, if you're using the PayPal link like I'm asking you to do, and you decide you want to click on the business one, it's going to be a little while because PayPal holds your funds in suspension for a week to 2 weeks before we can release your system to you, okay? We can't release it until the funds clear. But if you use the friends and family option, they release the funds immediately and you'll have your system immediately. As soon as we get notification, which is usually about an hour or less, we receive notifications your funds are clear. We send you your system the exact same day, okay? So it's up to you what you choose to do. I can't tell you what to do, but I'm just simply telling you, don't get frustrated with us. It's not us. It's PayPal, that's how they do their business. They will hold the funds for a very long time, and that's that. Nothing we can do about that. Oh, let me show y'all one more. This is gold right here. Look at that move. Triple arrows. Triple arrows. Woo-wee! And there we go. It's going sideways right now. But as you can see, triple arrows right there. And today, let me show you what happened. And to show y'all this one. Look at that. Bam. That's today. This is right now as we speak. Right now as we speak. Look at that. 94 pips drop. And that's a different time frame. That's the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Here it is, triple arrows. See, certain pairs I don't like to trade them because they take a while to play out, but did the triple arrows tell the truth? Yep, right here. And it went chop, 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 and then it dropped. There we go. Okay. So anyway, had you got in where we tell you to, you would have been up on this one 99 pips to say 100 pips on that one. Okay, so I just wanted to show you it does work on other time frames as well, and other pairs. It's just that for me, I like there's certain pairs that I like for a particular reason. But again, I just want to show you guys. See, you can clearly see it. Boom, it dropped. It dropped. Triple arrows. Look at that beast of a move right here. That was 790 pips on gold. Okay. Triple arrows told you when to get in. Triple arrows told you. They told you. All right. Have a good day.